Introducing the Tohnichi DOT200F-MD torque wrench tester, the ultimate solution for verifying the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrenches. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced tester combines precision and efficiency to ensure your assembly processes meet the highest quality standards. Featuring a motor-driven loader, the 200F-MD tester streamlines the calibration process, reducing manual effort and improving overall productivity. With a wide torque range of 20 to 200 lb/ft, it accommodates various torque wrench capacities, making it a versatile tool for your assembly needs. The large and easy-to-read dial face provides clear and precise torque readings, enabling accurate assessments during calibration. Designed to be set horizontally, the 200F-MD eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process even further. The tester incorporates a rotating handle, allowing for effortless torque wrench calibration by simply turning the handle. Elevate your torque wrench calibration processes with the Tohnichi 200F-MD torque wrench tester. Its advanced features, including the motor-driven loader, wide torque range, and user-friendly design, make it an indispensable tool for maintaining accurate and reliable torque wrenches. Invest in this advanced tester and experience the confidence of knowing that your assembly tools meet the highest quality standards.